Okay guys, ever wanted a fully customizable client showcase card right down to sizing, tags, and performance? Setting all this up manually would honestly take forever. Well, this section gives you complete control in just a few clicks. Today we're adding this collection section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link, this takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It will be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the layout. There are 3 different options to choose from here. Pick whichever fits your section best. Right below that, you can customize the left heading settings and adjust everything based on your own preference. Next up is the body text. Add your text and customize all its settings too. Then there's a CTA button you can adjust, along with card sizing settings. Right after that, you'll find tag colors you can change, along with section colors. There's also section size and spacing settings, and even a performance setting you can tweak. There's honestly so much detail packed into this one section. Now let's move on to the client card. I have an image, I'm just adding a random one here to show you how it works, but you can adjust everything based on your own store. Once you've customized everything the way you like, just hit save and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.